Hello and welcome back. It's Wade, and today I'm going to do a unboxing and install of a tail bag for the rack that I did kind of a little overview in my last video. So this is from Amazon. It's from the Amazon collection or something like that. It's sold by Amazon and designed by Amazon, I guess, and manufactured directly for Amazon. And the price is pretty good for tail bags. They do range in prices quite a lot. This seemed to be a reasonably priced one. So basically, you get the box and the bag itself, and get the bag, and it has a kind of like a rubbery leather bottom, 4 clamps, a bag, and a cover for it, rain cover, high vis. So it's waterproof with the cover on, and it has a handle and 2 side pockets, it looks like. And it's quite thick, like it's padded. It's not just the fabric. There is a padding inside to keep your stuff safe. And then, like I said, the other side, there is another same pocket, small little pocket for little knickknacks and stuff. But again, it is padded. And then you have the main pocket here. And again, this is padded. Has a little mesh pocket. You have some straps, you have a book, and that's pretty much it. The bottom's padded, the sides are all padded, so it protect your stuff that you put in it. So I'm not going to go through the manual. Motorcycle tail bag from Amazon Basics is what it's called. Hopefully that's in the video. So let's see what we got for cables, or straps, I'll say. Let's see what we got. We got 1 strap with the loop, 2 straps with loop. Looks like there's maybe, I know this is, we'll see. I think there may be different size. I don't want to drop everything here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 straps with loops. 2 that are longer and 2 that are shorter. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then you have another strap with no loop but 2 clips. And that's one thing about this, it just clips on, so it's easy to take off. So let's see if we can get this on the bike really quick. I think I'll go like that. Like that. And I kind of played with this a little bit beforehand, so I could get the things at the right length, so I don't have to make this video super long. So I do have 2 short ones. I'm using the 2 short ones for the back. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do a crisscross here, I think, is the way I was able to. I'm just going to do this really quick. And be like that. So just really quick and dirty, you put your straps on to the to your rack, or however you're going to affix it to your bike. You may be able to wrap the long one around if you didn't have the rack, and then kind of go to your foot pegs with the longer ones. That may be one option if you didn't have a rack. So I'm just putting this on pretty loosely a little bit, and just clipping these in. And the final one, if I can find the tip. Oh, let's get those in the hole. There we go. And could be a little bit tighter. You know, I think I'll tighten the bottom one up here. But with that tight like that, that thing's on there pretty good. Oh, there it goes. It slid under. So like, this is the bag itself. I'm not sure what the size is. Maybe I'll put it in the link. The actual the volume that you have for storage in the bag. But you know, you could get probably a 6-pack in there. 6-pack of cans. It looks like with that size. And then you can zip it up. And like I said, it has a handle, so you can just unsnap it and take it with you. And so we can really quickly. It's nice that this is attached directly to the bag, so you won't lose it in case you don't install it correctly. And basically just put it around the bag, and there's a little zip tie here, or you know, tighten it up, and there you are. Waterproof bag, probably flap in the wind, but that's it. And then take it off. And I guess that is one bad thing, that it is attached. If it's all wet, you kind of just gotta stick it back in the bag wet and zip it up. And there we go. So that's the just overview and review of the Amazon Basics tail bag. Ranges around $51 to $61 dollars Canadian on Amazon. If you have any questions, leave them below, and always don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.